Huế, 85 kilometers. I left Mysen Sanctuary like an hour ago. The next destination is not Huế, it's the Elephant Springs. It's like a natural pool, so I'm gonna check that out. So the way to Elephant Springs is through the Hai Van Pass. It's like a mountain road, and it's very famous actually. Kind of infamous though. Like it's super difficult to ride on it because of the curves and steep. So I'm gonna check it out. And I do not have like an extremely impressive bike or anything. I have this Honda Future. Let's see. I hope it's gonna take me there. Hai Van Pass is around 21 kilometers long mountain road which connects Huế and Danang. It's so beautiful, the views are amazing, the drive is something you must experience. In the middle of the pass, there are a lot of coffee shops and restaurants where you can chill for a bit. This is the view from one of the coffee shops. Let me show you how the route is. Stay tuned. So this is Elephant Springs. It was a long journey, man. But yeah, definitely worth it. Water is so clear. The road is a bit tricky. You don't see any like signboards or anything. You just have to rely on Google Maps. And then yeah, definitely advise to come with a semi-automatic or a manual bike because it's very steepy road. Well yeah, not many people, just a couple of families. That's it. Yeah, it's fun.